Hello everyone, welcome back to the Icy Travellers. Alright, namaskar and good morning here from North Goa. This is the fourth episode that you are watching. Well, it's 2 p.m. now, but we are not getting late. The thing is, if you have watched our last episode, you'll know that we came back to our stay by 4 a.m. in the morning. Do watch that episode to understand everything. So right now we woke up by 11:30 a.m. We had breakfast and then now we are totally ready to go out. We'll be exploring the must-visit churches. When you are in Goa, you have to visit those churches. So without taking much time, let's go out. Let's explore the part of Panjim and the old Goa. Let's go. So it's 2:30 p.m. now. We have reached to our first location. It took half an hour from Baga Beach from our stay. So this is the first location that we are in. It is called the Immaculate Conception Church, or simply known as the Panjim Church. Now you have seen this church in many popular Bollywood movies like Josh or Asiki 2 for the reference. But when we are seeing it in real, the facade looks really beautiful and like a specially made Portuguese style church. Now the facade, it's very unique, something which I have personally not seen even when I went to Europe some years earlier. So it is a really beautiful church. So let's explore, and yeah, we have taken some pictures. Do check them out in our Instagram handle. Let's explore the church now.
चर्च के ऊपर जो बेल है वो गोवा का सेकंड लार्जेस्ट बेल है और जो फर्स्ट लार्जेस्ट बेल है वो है आपका से कैथेड्रल में, जहाँ पे हम लोग थोड़ी देर में ही जाने वाले हैं। पंजिम चर्च से निकल के जब हम नेक्स्ट स्पॉट पे जा रहे थे, वो राइड काफ़ी सुंदर था। जैसे कि हम हर वीडियो में बोल रहे हैं, गोवा के रोड्स और सराउंडिंग सच में बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है और इसीलिए थोड़ा सा वीडियो क्लिप हम लोगों ने आप लोगों के साथ भी शेयर किया।
So here we are, in the back side you can see Basilica of Bom Jesus. So this is a very important church here in Goa. The thing is, this church is like 408 years old, so it makes it one of the oldest churches in all of Goa and also maybe in India. And it is open every day, but the doors shut down by 4:30. So do remember that. And it is also a World Heritage Site recognized by UNESCO. So it is a very must visit. Now after this we are going to explore Se Cathedral, which is a 2-minute walk away from here. So let's go. So once inside the Basilica of Bom Jesus, it was very big and beautiful. Well, let me tell you an interesting fact. The construction work on this church began in 1594, but still no one was able to put a cross upon this church, and till now no one has been able to, which is a little weird. Apart from that, the church is pretty simple. Overall, the church is very old, interesting, beautiful, and a must visit. so welcome to the Se Cathedral. We just came from Basilica of Bom Jesus. Well, a brief history. This cathedral was made by Portuguese to commemorate their victory against the Muslim army, which also leads to the capture of the city of Goa by them in 1510. So when we are here, we can see that this church has covered a vast area of land, and with the white church and the green gardens, disciplined gardens that they have maintained, it is quite beautiful. You have to come here. It's a must visit both the churches. So yes, it's a beautiful time that we are spending here.
The whole area of Se Cathedral was pretty beautiful, and there was a museum as well apart from the church, which got closed by 5 p.m. so we couldn't see it, and even the main church also got closed, but we could enjoy just a sneak peek, and let me show you that.
ये सब जो आप मेरे पीछे देख रहे हैं, ये सब स्ट्रक्चर्स है, ये सब एक्चुअली कुछ पिलर्स है, कुछ डोर्स है जो कि ऑलरेडी टूटा हुआ है क्योंकि ये बहुत पुराना है। तो वो सब कुछ भी उन्होंने संभाल के बहुत खूबसूरती से रखा है। एक बार सबकी तरफ आप लोग भी देख लीजिए।
All these that you're seeing now are tombstones from the 15th or 16th century, and she got scared even at daytime, don't know why. And after that, once we came out, we saw a couple of shops, and as the tradition goes, she went to ask the prices as it was our 4th day here, and we had a good understanding of the prices, in which we are surprised to know that even if it is a touristy place, but the prices were lesser than in other parts of Goa for the same things. So you can consider this information. And right after purchasing a few things, we went till St. Augustine Tower, which was a 1-minute ride, and let me tell you, this is another very popular spot in Goa and a World Heritage Site as well. This was a church which was built in 1602, but due to many reasons, the church collapsed by 1871, and all that is left is the ruins. Again, we couldn't go inside because it got closed by 5, but we got a good view of it.
टूरिस्टी प्लेस सब विजिट करते करते भूख लग गई और एक दोस्त ने रिकमेंड किया था बर्गर फैक्ट्री, तो हम निकल पड़े 1 घंटा की राइड करके बर्गर फैक्ट्री की ओर। और ट्रस्ट मी, 1 घंटा का राइड वर्थ इट था क्योंकि काफ़ी यूनिक सा कैफ़े था। लाइटिंग, फूड, सीटिंग एरिया सब उन्होंने काफ़ी प्लानिंग के साथ डिज़ाइन किया है, वो दिख रहा था। खाने का पोर्शन काफ़ी ज़्यादा था। एक बर्गर से इवनिंग के हिसाब से 2 लोगों का आराम से खाना हो जाता, पर हम लोगों को नहीं पता, इसलिए हम लोगों ने 2 बर्गर ऑर्डर किया। और सच बोलूँ तो एक्सपीरियंस कैफ़े का काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा था। अभी बज रहे रात के 9। ऑलरेडी हम लोग लेट है क्योंकि आज दिन लेट से स्टार्ट किया था और घर वापस आते आते भी, मतलब होटल वापस आते आते भी हमें लेट हो गए। दिन काफ़ी अच्छा था, चर्चेस बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रिटी थे, वो सारे स्ट्रक्चर देखने लायक थे। वीडियो में आप लोग जो भी देखोगे, पर नेकेड आई से देखना कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस होगा। तो मैं बोलूँगी जब भी गोवा हो डेफिनेटली विजिट करो। उसके बाद हम लोगों ने दिन ख़त्म किया अपना बर्गर फैक्ट्री पे, उसका भी एक्सपीरियंस जैसे कि हम लोगों ने वीडियो में बोला काफ़ी अच्छा था। रेट थोड़ा हाई था पर चलता है ऐसे जगह पे, अगर आप बाहर आए हो तो ऐसी जगह एक्सपीरियंस करना तो बनता है। अभी हम लोग जाएंगे डिनर के लिए और कल हम लोग जा रहे हैं साउथ गोवा, इसलिए अभी फटाफट हम लोग पैकिंग करेंगे, पैकिंग करके डिनर के लिए जाएंगे, उसके बाद आके हम लोग सो जाएंगे। तो इसलिए वीडियो को यहीं पे ख़त्म करते। वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, जो भी जानना है आप लोगों को शेयर कीजिए सबके साथ जिसके साथ आपको गोवा आना है। और अगर आप नए हैं हमारे चैनल पे तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए क्योंकि आप लोगों का सपोर्ट हमारे लिए मोटिवेशन है। तो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में। बाय बाय।